Make legit money today. There are many people that wish they had the skill set to learn how to make money from home. Many people in my community say that I have a gift, a talent, I guess you can say a knack, for taking something that's hard to understand and breaking it down, simplifying it so that you can understand it. So I took some time today to think about the issue, the problem. The problem is that many people want to learn how to make legit money right now. So there are two things that I'm going to show and share with you today. The first thing that I'm going to share with you today is the ebook that I created that will help you learn the skill sets needed in order to make money from your cell phone and possibly make money today. The second thing that I'm going to share with you is the app that I use as a companion to my ebook and show you how to upload files and sell your files and photos right from your cell phone. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the price for your ebook or your photo. And then after you set your price, you're going to click the green plus sign and go to photos or files. In this lesson, we're going to go to the file that I created that I would like to sell from my app. This file happens to be my work from home gig list that I took the time to put together 50 plus different opportunities, gigs, and jobs that you can actually work from home. So I'm going to select multiple link because I want my clients to be able to click on it as many times in order to get their file. Once I completed those steps, my file is now uploading to the app. I'm going to allow the video to run in real time so you can see how long it takes for this particular file to upload to the app. In the meantime, if you would like to know more information about this app, the other ebooks that I've shared with you in this lesson, please don't forget to check the description box below this video. At the end of this upload, you will get a link that you can copy that will go directly to your file or directly to the photo, whichever one you choose to upload and sell. Once your photo or file has uploaded, you will be sent to a page that will show you that you can copy your link. That link will be active for 3 months. So this is a temporary solution and a very easy solution, also a free solution for you to actually sell your photos and your files. More permanent solution, I highly recommend an app and website called With Koji. I will list the details to that app in the description box as well. We're all set, so also take note, you see the copy link button, but you also see social media options that you can go ahead and share your link to. I want to share with you and introduce this app to you to use to sell your digital products in the beginning of your learning because there isn't a monthly cost, it's just a fee per item that you sell. If you pair up this app knowledge with my ebook that's in my description, you will be able to set yourself up for success and learn new skill sets and how to sell digital items from your cell phone.